G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Today's video is about double helix lacing. Now I'll show you this on my website. One end runs diagonally across the outside and the other end runs diagonally across the inside, forming that double helix that gives this lacing its name. Now the method was actually invented and patented by Monty Fisher as a faster way of lacing tall boots, in particular ones with many eyelets. We've only got 6 here, but you can imagine on a boot with a lot of eyelets, the faster you can lace that, the better it is. Now, unlike most methods where you begin with both ends feeding in or both ends feeding out of the bottom eyelet, this method has one end feeding in through one eyelet and the other feeding out through one eyelet. Next we take one end that's running up the inside, or coming out of the inside there, continue that up the inside and feed out through the next higher eyelet on the other side. And the end that came out the outside bottom eyelet, we run that diagonally across the outside and in through the next higher eyelet on the other side. Let's repeat that. Once again, the end that's on the inside runs diagonally up the inside and out. The end that's on the outside runs diagonally across the outside and in. Now because we are sort of creating 2 layers of shoelace, there's the inner layer with the diagonals all running one way and the outer layer with the diagonals running the other way. That reduces contact friction between the layers, and also because neither end feeds over the side and under and out the other side, we're also reducing contact friction over the edges. Now at the top of the shoe, I could feed in for consistency, but I'm feeding out so that we have a slightly easier to tie knot. Here I'm using my Ian knot, the world's fastest shoelace knot. And that's the finished lacing. Now for symmetry, you can lace the other shoe in reverse, so you've got the 2 angled bits running the opposite way, and you'll have a nice fast easy lacing for tightening. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want more detailed instructions and diagrams, you can go to Ian's Shoelace site.